Meaning of hypoallergenic.
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 Hypoallergenic. Hypoallergenic is a term used to describe products that are unlikely to cause an allergic reaction. This means that the product has been formulated or tested to reduce the risk of causing an allergic response in people who are sensitive to certain allergens. Hypoallergenic products may contain fewer irritants or have undergone processes to remove allergenic properties. They are commonly used in cosmetics, skincare, and household products, such as shampoo, soap, bedding, and clothing. It is important to note that while hypoallergenic products may reduce the risk of an allergic reaction, they do not guarantee complete allergy avoidance.